Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda CRV tire step by step. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and placing wheel chocks behind the opposite wheels. Locate your spare, jack and lug wrench in the cargo area and inspect the spare for proper inflation. Loosen the lug nuts one turn while the tire is grounded, then position the jack under the manufacturer jack point and lift until the tire clears the ground. With the vehicle securely lifted and supported, finish removing the lug nuts and keep them together so none get lost. Grasp the tire firmly at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions and pull it straight off the hub, avoiding twisting motions that can strain your back. Inspect the hub and brake components for damage or embedded objects, and set the flat tire aside away from traffic and road debris before mounting the spare. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during roadside work with a reliable water bottle you can grab with greasy hands. I find it indispensable. You can find the product link and other deals in the video description, and it makes long jobs more comfortable and safer. Now let's get back to the video. Align the spare wheel with the hub and slide it onto the studs, making sure holes line up and the wheel sits flush. Hand thread each lug nut to prevent cross-threading, then lower the vehicle slowly until the spare contacts the road and the jack is no longer supporting full weight. Tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern to the recommended snug feel, then lower fully and finish with a final firm tightening using the wrench.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.